This video shows how to extract the metadata of the data assets from an external database. These assets are going to be represented as hexagons in the raw data map and hence usable as input data for the creation of a new data product. To do so, we need to create a new ingestion plan. Within the Insert Metadata page, please select Ingestion Plans. A list of all existing ingestion plans is displayed here. To create a new ingestion plan, simply click on the green Create New button and provide a name for the plan you are going to create. A notification message will confirm that the new ingestion plan has been successfully created and can now be found in the list. The ingestion plan now needs to be defined to ingest the metadata from the assets in the target database within a specific schema. To do so, simply click on the arrow icon in the Details column. In the Detail view, it is possible to set a description for the plan, while in the lower table, we can add and configure all the required ingestion packages. First, we need to select the connection we want to use to extract the metadata. As in this example, our target is a MySQL database. We need to select the MySQL connection. The connections to databases listed here are those created within the One Data Cartography project. Learn how to create a connection in the video, Create Connections to External Data Sources. In the second column, we can now specify the schema we want to represent in the raw data map. Multiple schemas can be listed by simply separating them with a comma without white spaces. To select all the schemas available in the database, simply write All. For this specific scenario, the Extra Options column does not need to be specified and can be left empty. It can be used when ingesting metadata from other types of data sources, such as to add the location of an AWS server. As we want to extract only the metadata from a MySQL database, we can now select the ingestion type MySQL metadata. Now it is time to choose the ingestion packages we want to use for this plan. The different available ingestion packages perform different actions and lead to different types of metadata being extracted. The Assets and Asset Attributes package is always necessary. It ensures that the assets appear as hexagons in the raw data map and that their attributes can be explored. The two connection packages, View Relationship and Foreign Key Constraints, allow for importing information on technical and logical relationships between the data assets. The last two columns on the right will be filled by OneData during the execution and will provide information on the ingestion status and time. Click Save to save the configuration. The ingestion plan can now be executed by clicking the Execute Plan button. During the execution, logs are produced and displayed on the lower part of the current page. Once the plan is successfully completed, the hexagons related to the data assets in the ingested schemas on the external database can be found in the raw data map and can also be attached to a data product request for the creation of a new data product. For the ingestion of data from a One Data project, refer to our video Inserting Metadata from One Data Projects.